Welcome back to N.Rajini Kiranmai YouTube channel. This video is going to help you to understand how to write a Python program and how to execute a Python program. To do so, first download Python. From where we can download Python? www.python.org is the official website from where you can download Python. Once Python console got installed, what we have to do is, using command line, run Python interpreter directly. That is one way. Or you can go for the second option, like we can use GUI that comes installed with Python called IDLE. So here we are using IDLE, that is Python's integrated development and learning environment. So once we open this environment, that is IDLE environment, there you can start typing your program. Say for example, if we are going to do the command line, we can just, our command line prompt of Python is this, that is 3 greater than symbols is the prompt for Python. There we can write the commands and immediately we are going to get the output at command line prompt itself. Or if you want to write a program, you can use this IDLE environment. There you go and write your program. So once we are using that IDLE environment editor, so in that editor, we are going to write our instructions and you are going to save that file with an extension called .py. After saving it, we are going to execute the program just by pressing the function F5. Or because it is an IDLE environment, there you will get a button called run. Directly we can press that button and you can execute the Python program. So here we have specified this is a prompt or command prompt where I said this is the Python prompt where we can directly type the program. So here and immediately in this environment itself we'll get the output. Say for example, if you wanted to write a program, there I have used IDLE editor where I wrote the program and we save this program with a .py extension, and to execute it, there I said run button will be there, go there, press run and you will get a execution of Python, that is F5, or directly we can use a function key F5 to execute the program and you are going to get the output here at the command prompt. So see here I have presented a small program in Python to find the square root of the given number. For that, first see here I have used a variable called num. I didn't assign any value direct and I didn't use any data type. Directly I am asking to take the value from the user. For that I wrote input within brackets enter any number, and if the user enters any number it should get converted into integer and should be saved in num. Now I am powering it to 0.5, that is I am finding the square root of this number. After calculating that, the result will be saved in the variable called result and I am displaying it. See here, enter any number. Now I have entered 25. So this 25 is converted into integer type and entered into num, and this 25 power of 0.5, that is square root of 25 is nothing but 5, and this 5 will be saved in the variable called result. Now I am writing the print statement. The square root of will be displayed as it is, whatever we wrote, comma. If I wanted to know display the value, I am using the variable called num, where num holds 25. 25 will be displayed. Afterwards is equal to is displayed. Later result. So the square root of 25 is 5. So I didn't convert it into integer type. So I got 5.0. So this is how we are going to do the program. To make you understand better, I just wanted to show you IDLE environment where we can go there directly, and here you are going to get the prompt, Python prompt, and there you can just write print within brackets, I'm just telling hello world, WRLD. I'm closing the double quotes, closing the semicolon. Just press enter. See here, hello world is the output we got. If say suppose if you wanted to get into a editor, just at the file, press file, go to new. There you are going to get the editor where you are going to write your program. Say num is equal to int and brackets begin input brackets begin, and here I'm writing enter a number. Afterwards double quotes close, two double braces, I'm closing it. Afterwards what I have to do, result is equal to, I'm doing num double slash is a symbol used for the power 0.5. It calculates it and saves in the result. Now I wanted to print brackets begin within double quotes square root of, I'll close the double quotes, specifies comma and say num, then again comma, I say is equal to, then I specify comma and I'm writing result. I close the brackets, then I'm going to save it, file, I'll just save as. So I'm just saving it in the desktop and I kept a folder there. I just wanted to save it as x dot, extension should be py. I have done it. I'll just save it. After saving it, see here, to just execute it, I'm going to run their run module, or directly you can keep a function, use a function key F5. See here, you are going to get the question, enter a number. I have entered 25 and see here the square root of 25 is equal to 5.0. This is how we are going to see get the output. Thank you for watching.